All right, so here we have a 2,100 square foot saddle notch house. So saddle notch is something that we don't do very regularly, but it's where each log notches halfway over the log underneath it. So it's a really cool notch. As you can see, we're using some bigger logs than we normally use as well. Here's the main section of the house. We've got the main living area here, and obviously we're just starting. Over here we've got a garage that's going to be attached by a porch breezeway. Porch will have a covered breezeway coming over here and connecting here, which is an 1,100 square foot garage. If you want to come look at this, we'll explore the notch a little bit. So as you can see here, this log here is cut away. This will fit right over the half of the log underneath it and make a nice tight notch.